Can a non-resident Indian purchase properties in India? Are you a non-resident Indian planning to buy a property in India? Then now is the perfect time for you to do so. While the real estate sector in India has witnessed a price correction recently, buying property in India has also become more profitable with flattering currency rates. The Reserve Bank of India has granted general permission to NRIs to purchase any residential or commercial property in India. They don't require any specific approval from the central bank, nor do they need to send any communication or intimation to the RBI. In this regard, what type of properties can NRIs invest in India? Under the current general permissions, an NRI is permitted to purchase any number of commercial or residential properties. The income tax law also authorizes an NRI to possess as many residential or commercial properties at their discretion. If the NRI is unable to come to India, the documents regarding the purchase can be completed by any individual who is granted a valid power of attorney. However, according to the RBI's general permission, an NRI is not permitted to purchase any agricultural land or plantation property in India. Consequently, NRIs cannot buy farmhouses in India under the current regulations. In this case, they must approach the RBI for specific permission. How about joint ownership? An NRI can buy a property either as a single owner or jointly with any other NRI. However, a resident Indian or an individual who is otherwise not permitted to invest in a property in India cannot hold joint ownership in such property, regardless of the second holder's contribution towards the investment. NRIs and taxation. When a property in India is sold by an NRI, tax deducted at source calculation is conducted at 20% on long-term capital gains. And for short-term capital gains, tax is deductible at slab rates. However, the final taxation rate is similar for NRIs and resident Indians. If an NRI has a lower tax slab applicable to him, it's possible to apply for a TDS refund by filing their income tax return. Now let's talk about home loans. For NRIs, banks and housing finance companies registered with the National Housing Bank are granted with general permission from the RBI to provide loans to NRIs for purchasing residential property in India. The loan, which would be sanctioned in Indian currency, has to be compensated with the same. However, according to the regulations, the loan amount cannot be credited straight to the NRI's bank account and must be disbursed to the developer or seller's account. Repayment of the loan can be made through funds in an NRI's non-resident ordinary account or non-resident external account or foreign currency non-resident account deposits. Lastly, let's talk about power of attorney. Since NRIs live away from India, they have a choice to give power of attorney to their relatives or friends to conduct the process of purchasing property in India. The power of attorney can be general or specific about the rights your representative wields. We have reached the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Thanks for watching.